this is the entrance. We got this thing here, and then a bathroom. And actually the bathroom have here you go, the bathroom, shower, toilet, and the bed. Very comfy bed. And look at the view. I love this type of window in the room because you just open the curtain and then you can watch the sunset from here, and it's really beautiful. It's a view. We have the balcony as well. The balcony. Very cozy. Yeah, when it's sunrise, it's really beautiful. We literally can watch the sun goes up from there, but we don't get the sunset, so we have to wake up early to get that. And I'm such a sleepyhead, so I never got the sunrise. But look how beautiful is this. And let me show you my cute Louis Vuitton bag. Very cute. ocean. And yeah, so right now I'm in Vietnam. I'm in Ha Long Bay, and we booked for like 2 days 1 night to stay in a cruise, and it's been very, very amazing. Like, we went from Hanoi to the Ha Long Bay. with a car for 2 hours, and then 30 minutes, rest, and then we arrived like in a port. We went on a like small boat to get into the cruise. So but it was like only 4 minutes, and that's been really amazing so far. And this is our first day in here, and it's my first time doing this, and I feel like it's very, very worth it. And it's very affordable. It's not like you have to pay much money to have this experience, but it's very nice to have such an experience like this. And they give you the itinerary, you got spa, and you got nice gym. And the relationship between me and gym is just very, very tight. And when I saw the gym, I was like, that's very nice. They got the sauna, they got the jacuzzi, very nice restaurant with a good food, very nice staff, very nice room, and it's like very huge. And yeah, so far so good. I think tomorrow we're gonna do some activity where we have to like walk on the cave. I think they say it's like biggest cave, and do some kayak, and I forgot what else, but we got like so much fun activity. Yeah, they have some karaoke, some nice pool, and it's not that scary because I'm scared of ocean, so I was overthink. I thought that it's gonna be scary, it's gonna be windy or shaky, but guys, trust me, it's all good. It's not even shaky, maybe because it's like mega yacht, so even though it's windy, it's not that windy, but you don't feel shaking at all, and it's not scary at all. For you guys who have like ocean phobia like me, trust me, it's not that scary. And what a view. It's very nice, guys. I will show you. So this is like the balcony of our room, and this is the view that we got. I cannot wait to wake up in the early morning with this view. It's nice, it's very cozy. Oh, look at that. Is that a house? Is it? Oh, that's an island. It's very interesting. So beautiful. So yeah, I got some room tour. I got some nice video that I record when I entrance in this mega yacht where all the stuff was waving and very friendly. Yeah, I cannot wait to edit that video. I got so much vlog I haven't edited. Yeah, I need to be active again. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Sure, sorry. recording. Get the drum.
How sick is this, Angel?
Show me I don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show
It's so cold. So on the 5th floor is like for the party, karaoke and something like that. And then for the 2nd floor is for fishing. But the top floor is still empty because everyone's still fishing. Oh my god, it's so cold. And we just had dinner. So much fun. I'm even shaking. It's very, very, very cold. But yeah, I feel like it looks less scary at night. It's nice. I don't know if I can show you, but it's not scary at all.
là người mới chạy. Người mới chạy mà anh chèo tàu ra. Tàu còn ghé con bè xuống.